What's going on?
Daddy, Mommy, me.
Good evening, guys. It's been a rough day. Trying to clean, trying to do everything because Auntie Aileen's coming home. And Belle's right there. She's having some yogurt bites. First time niya lang itry yan. She likes it, huh? You like that? Yeah? Here, you want a ball? A big ball? You don't eat that. Is that yum? So you can see, ang kalat ng aming bahay. Woo! Time to clean. Time to clean. How about you? What'd you get? What'd you get, love? Iniyakan niya yan. Akala niya kasi nawawala yung bola. What'd you get, love? Can you show us? How does that work? Can you show Mom? Whoa! That's pretty cool. Can I try it? Can I see? Oh. Oh. I think you gotta put the ball all the way inside, no? Like, there you go. Okay. Oh!
Oh.
That was super high. I didn't even see it. That's cool. You like it? Are you happy now? Can you show me how you do it? It might go in my food. I'm cooking. I'm cooking some, or boiling some ravioli. Lalagyan ko na lang siya ng Alfredo sauce. That's my fish din. Sarap, sarap. You want some toys too, love? Belle, you want some toys? I got you this. Woohoo! You want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna pick these up, okay? I'm gonna just put them back.
No, you can play with it. Just leave them on the floor. Right, this one needs batteries, I think. Yeah.
Okay, where's some this? Oh. Oh, no.
You can go ahead. Oh.
I don't know, it's small.
Yeah, give her the Wonder Woman one. This one.
Maybe she likes the unicorn. I'll give her the unicorn.
Share that.
Make sure there's air. Oh, there's just nothing. There's just stuff up there now. I love doggies. I love Sky, Mom. It's so cute. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Ho, 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 ho. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Just a little bit of the spill, okay?
Okay. Let's try it, baby.
No.
Ooh, bubbles! Come on, Belle. You want to see?
Well, there's bubbles everywhere.
Wow! She likes it. Look. She loves it. Turn it on. Don't spill it, babe. Bubbles! No, you're spilling it, Bubs. You're not supposed to do that, love. It's gonna be slippery. Uh-oh. No. Turn it off, babe. I don't want her to slip. Ayan na yung dinner namin. Or dinner nilang mga kids. I don't like white sauce. Aileen likes it.
Which one do you want to try first? The electricity one? This toys. Okay.
Next week.
It lights up.
See you next week.
It
Bye.
doesn't show.
Aileen. I have a surprise for you. Come on. Do you want to see? Who's that? Who's that? Nahiya. Who is that? Say hi. Say hi to Aunt Aileen. Look at her. Look. Are you shy? Huh? So shy? Whoa.
Hi, baby.
Uh-oh. Stranger.
Stranger danger.
What happened? Money.
Tsura ko eh. No!
Fresh from San Diego. Buti pala hindi ka naiwan ng eroplano this time.
No, wide awake. Ayaw na talaga magising.
Oh, may alarm ka, may alarm.
I'll show you the world.
Close, naka-close pa yung mata niya.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, don't peek.
Okay, now spin 3 times. Touch your knees.
Touch your knees.
Your
Your
knees.
knees.
What are you doing?
Hurry before I open my eyes.
Okay.
Oh, may nadali pa.
Open it.
Ooh, there you go. Open your eyes.
Ooh, open it.
I'm so heavy.
Open it.
Open mo na.
I see that princess over there.
Alam niya sa kanya. And
Open,
this is
open.
from,
Belle.
Numbers.
I know this
There's
one.
Belle.
Open it.
Ayan na siya.
Jeez Louise!
Ay.
Jeez, Louise daw.
I can't open
Go, open it. Sit down.
cannot open it.
Right there, oh, look. Tape. It's a tape. Remember you like opening that?
Wala akong makitang paper bag eh.
Open it.
Oh, Beshi. This is from Tita Nina and Tito Nino. From
What do you say, baby?
Tino and ano.
Thank you, Tito. Ano, Tita Mau? Kanino
Tito
ta?
Andrew.
Tito Andrew?
Yeah, and Tita Ma.
Wow, happy 4th birthday. Ang aga, ah.
I'm gonna open this first.
Ay, kasi princess.
Ayaw niya daw buksan muna.
Give me that. That's mine.
That's a cute wrapping.
That's mine.
I have something
Share,
for Belle
share.
too.
That's yours, Belle. Look at you. Look at yours.
Wow!
This
Belle,
is from Belle.
it's a unicorn. Look, Belle. Here. Wow.
From Tita
Wow.
Mau and Tito Andrew.
Wow. Yeah, buksan na nga sa birthday.
And this is for Tita Aileen and Tita Martin.
Wow. Say, what do you say? Ching ching. You want me to help you? Come here.
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Ooh, I'm so happy.
Yaman siya,
I'm
laroy.
super happy.
Ang cute naman itong gold.
I'm really happy.
Nilagay lang ba niya yan? O nakaganyan talaga siya? What's inside?
Alam niyo na yun.
I know.
Alam niya? Hindi niya matandaan niya.
Oh, I know.
What's in here? Kanino galing to sa'yo ulit?
Yeah. Hindi yun yung aking galing.
Belle, ang baho ng pet mo. You wash
Kay,
ba?
kay Martin.
There you go. Don't take out the tape because Belle's gonna eat it.
Gift niya yung sobrang liit.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Yan, that's from Tito Martin.
God.
That's it. Stop.
Shopkins?
Oh my. I love this. How much is They're so pretty. Now let's open this.
Ganun lang, hindi mo man lang titignan? Look at this. What's this?
Oh, it's my iPad. Sorry. My own iPad is low bat.
Your own iPad slow man. Do you know how to open it? Hindi kid-friendly yung ginawa ng ano.
Oh, you have to.
Ah, sorry, Betsy. Kasi,
Sayang yung
kasi
wrapper.
ugali ko nung bata ko, sinisilip ko eh.
That's cute mermaids.
No, that's mine. You got your own one.
Okay, you share.
Just kidding.
Oh,
Tukto sa Aileen eh.
Belle.
Christmas in ano, July? Baby?
It's Christmas. Just kidding.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Ano? What do you want? Uh-oh, she sees your shoes.
Ang hirap buksan, Besh.
God, she's good.
One-handed pa.
From love.
That's a cute heart, huh?
Yeah.
What does it say? Can you read it to me? Open it so I can read it. Let me see. Open. Open. It says, we love Aileen in the front. You see your name? Aaralyn.
How about Belle?
Right there, on the other side. Open it. No, the other side, babe. This way, baby. Uy, dito. It says, Dear Aileen, happy 4th birthday. We love you. Tita Mau, or from Tita Mau and Tito Andrew. Stop saying OMG, Aileen. Here, that's a lot. What's that? What's that?
Apple?
Ooh.
What's this?
No, it's a... Oh yeah,
kind
it
of
is a
this?
bat bomb. It is a bat bomb. Alam ni Andrew na
What
alam.
are these?
Oh, what's this?
What are these?
It's a dress.
This?
Dress. Oh, you got a lot of dress. Wow. Open mo, open.
I'll open it.
Oh, here, look. This one? Open. Pull. Pull,
So
pero.
cute.
Now let's do the next one.
Okay. Which one? Unicorn?
This one.
Open it. Here. No, you don't need to rip it. See? Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a cute one. Oh, it says, what letter is that?
A.
Wow.
4.
Ta-da!
A is for?
Apple.
Apple.
Aileen.
A is for apple. B is for?
Ball. Alam pa yun.
Oh, I like the palda. Oh, it's so colorful. You know what it says?
Yeah.
Nakita niyo sparkly.
I know, Unicorn Fan Club. Ooh.
Try,
It's a
try,
long
try.
one.
Try, baby.
You're gonna get bigger and you can wear this at school. May nakita pa siya.
Like my bunny.
Yeah, you're gonna wear it at school. What do you say? Aileen,
Oh yeah. Thank
what do you say?
so
Give-
much.
give Auntie Aileen a kiss.
Daddy.
Auntie Aileen,
Mommy,
kiss.
Aileen.
Oh, mo?
Pati sarili niya. Kiss Auntie Aileen.
Kiss ko. Where's my kiss? Love you. Love you. Kiss ko.
How about Tita Mau? Give Tita Mau and Tita Andrew flying kiss.
Where they go?
Flying kiss nga eh. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you for what?
Thank you for everything.
I'll be there for you. Calling me when you're lonely. Dancing on the roof.
Wait, dance.
And my teacher.
Can you do what's up everybody? What's going on? Let me open. Oh, what na ni Bebe?
I know how to stick the gobble, just kidding.
You do know how. Ay, dito ba? Saan ba ito? Ah, ito. Wow. Ooh.
See, it's my iPad.
Well,
So,
Tita Mau gave you that.
yeah,
And Tito Andrew.
yeah. So I got more. There's a toy inside.
Cool. You excited?
Yeah.
Sila? What is it? Let me see.
Oh. Maybe.
Wow.
What's her
You got a
name?
mermaid.
What's her name?
I don't know. Maybe Ellie?
No, her name is. I know what her name is. Her name is
Ollie?
Aileen.
I miss you too. Free
Look
pizza.
at that pizza. Hey, look at that pizza. Look at them people. Free pizza. Oh yeah.
Try that, Mom.
I'm not gonna get in line, baby. I'm sorry.
No.
Hi, Kuya.
Hey, I always had you.
I have something
What's
for
on your
you.
face?
Right there.
Teka, saan ka nilagay?
Oh, give some to Ate Shaya. Got her something. This one is for you.
Nadaga na
Wow.
Wow.
What are you gonna say?
What do you say? What do you?
Shaya, what are you gonna say?
Hello. We're here at, where are we? Jordan
Nagahawak
Creek.
ako ng mga to.
And dito si special guest.
That's Aileen. Aileen, look!
Do this.
Floss, do the floss. Nico. Go. Galing. How much?
Magalong ko siya.
Dance? How old are you? 1. 1. How old are you? 1. 1. Good job. We're patiently waiting for fireworks. Nata ka si Aileen. Like always.
Huwag ka tumiretso sa tubig. First time mo makita ang fireworks, mga baby. Hurts donut! Someone's excited for donuts!
Mine.
Yeah.
Come on.
Aileen.
I can be monsters.